go to your profile page, tap on the three lines, and then select Settings and Privacy, select Account. At the bottom, you could see the option to deactivate or delete account selected. And finally, select Delete Account Permanently. You don't have to provide any reasons why you want to delete. Simply tap on Skip. There is a warning saying that all your posts, that is your uploaded videos, would also be deleted and you won't be able to get them back once you delete your TikTok account. Just be aware of that. And if you're happy, tap on By continuing. You will review your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. And then only you can tap on Continue. So even after deleting your account, you would have a 30 days time to restore your deleted account. And after 30 days, your TikTok account would be permanently deleted. And once it's deleted, here are the summary of the things that would happen. You won't be able to use or log in into your TikTok account. You will lose access to all your videos and some other points. Once you're happy, tap on Continue. And finally, TikTok would send you a code to your email associated with your TikTok account or your phone number that you need to go to, get the code, and then enter it in here. And finally, tap on Delete Account. And actually, this is the one last message. Tap on delete and now your account is completely and permanently deleted. Just note, after opening TikTok app and at the bottom, you see an option called already have an account login. And if you tap on login, it will remember your TikTok username. So in order to remove that as well, select manage accounts and then it would show you the deleted username and then tap on the bin icon and finally tap on remove to completely remove it from your TikTok app so that there won't be any traces left. To learn how to retrieve your deleted TikTok account, watch my next video. And if you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if this video was useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.